video, we're going to be adding the detail screen for the Star Wars app for the people, Star Wars people. All right, so let's go to make a new screen. Flutter make to new. All right, and I'll leave the link to all these docs and the description. I'll leave the link to all of the docs in the description. So all we need is this right here, or actually this whole thing. So where we left off is text start. My homepage start. So wait, do we still have it up? No, we don't. Let me bring it up real quick. All right, I'll let that load up. But anyways, in the list tile, we're showing the list tile. So the list tile, I believe it has an on press function or on tap. Okay, so you can make a new function, or you could just write the code here, do parentheses, and then I can't think. The opening brackets, close brackets. Yeah. Sorry, I'm tired. All right. Then you just copy the code here. The second route is a new page, and I'll just call that people detail. I'll make it a little short. No, yeah, I'll do it right. My computer's acting up. Okay, so it's complaining because we need that um, detail screen. So new Dart file, and then we'll call it people detail. And so we just need. Um, so I'll just copy this, or actually, we'll go ahead and do this. We'll import material. Then you could just start writing stateful STFUL, and it'll auto make it for you. You just start typing right here, and it'll automatically fill it in. All right. So it's complaining because we need to import this class. So um, all right, now it should be good. Okay, let's look at it. All right. So now when we tap a tile, basically a name, we'll get this page. I add a color to this. We're gonna change it in a minute, but just to show you, it's working. Colors.blue. All right. So and we'll need a scaffold and all that, but yeah, I'll just run this real quick. All right, and we're gonna load the. Oh man, I don't have the data right here. I have it right here though. So I'll just use this to format it. Um, so we're gonna add all the details here. I'm not sure if we're gonna use the array stuff yet. I want to use it, but I'm not sure if I want to put it on the same page yet. But then paging will come in another video too. So later on, when we get the basics of all of this, I'm also gonna upload the code to GitHub. So all right. Okay, so you see it's the list of people. Click on one, opens up a blue screen. But we want the app bar and all of that. First, we need a scaffold object. So instead of this, I'll just comment out return scaffold. Then do I use key? I don't know. Look at the other one. So we need the app bar, It takes a title, so the title can actually be a column or whatever. You can add an image and a title, but I'll just do regular text right now. So we're gonna pass in the name, make that the title, but for now I'll just put people detail, just real quick, just so you can see it. Oh, okay, yeah, right there. So now you see it gives you the back arrow and people detail. I also load this in iOS. It'll work the same, just to show you. But another video is gonna come where we do platform aware widgets, but that's in a later video. Okay, so now we want to pass the data to this screen so we can show the name right on the app bar and also all of the detail info right here. All right, so we'll just pass this person object right here. So it's not gonna recognize it because it needs this. I don't have another class yet, basically. So basically, is that the same? Yeah. Basically, copy this code right here because we need to pass the data into people detail and change that to detail. Can't type. Okay, yeah, that's right. And then person, people. Yeah, we have it all named wrong. um, person. Okay. People detail. Okay, it was just complaining about that. You also want to copy this. I don't believe it has a key for the state object or state class, whatever. But we have to pass it to, or actually, we could do widget.people. I believe, right? Let me see. Just did that in the other video. Yeah, and then we can do or dot name. So that should give you the name. We changed a lot of code, so we might have to rerun this. I'm getting errors, or it's an analysis issue. Wait, actually, there is error. I'll name the person here. Yeah, I'll go ahead and change that. Person. All right. Person. All right. And person right here. All right. So now I'll rerun that. When we click on the name, it should show the name of the title. Yeah, okay. So now we're going to add the detail data right here. So I'll just I could use a list view or scroll in a column. I don't know. I like using list view just because I can scroll. Okay, so that bar and then body takes the scaffold object also takes the body. So then I don't know. Should I use column and expand it? I don't know. I'll just use the list view. That's fine. Alright, children. And then the first one, how do we want to do this? Name first? That'll be all the text objects. So text widget. Well, actually, I want to tell you what it is. So, and then to write basically a variable and a string, You could do plus name plus like you would do in like Java or something, but to write it in the string, use this for in Dart. So yeah, I'll stall it later, but let's just check that out real quick. So names go, we'll add space and all that. Actually, I'll do it now. So option enter. I don't know if I mentioned that. Padding used to be the first, but they changed it. They updated it. Flutter. We just do option enter, hit padding, and it automatically has 8 as a padding. So I don't know if I saved it. No, I didn't. But see, it gave it a little space. I just put it on the whole list view, so I don't have to do it on each one. You could give each one, so I'll just keep copying these. Copy too much. Birth year. I believe that's all we have. Because we were going to add more. Yeah. That's where the little JSON thing I showed in the previous video, JSON tool, would help out. Is this it? I don't have it up. I think I closed the tab, but okay. They actually have interactive examples. That's cool. You can now code in the web. It's a new Flutter thing. So you don't really even need a certain computer. What else? I'll just copy all this. Home world. We could do home world too. Really, I should copy it. Well, I need it right there too, just so. Yeah, okay. Just real quick. So, man, so we should also check for null, but I don't believe it even gives null values. So, hair color. Trying to copy the API, but Flutter doesn't like that. Hair color, it's skin color. And gender is the last one, I believe, right? Man, okay, yeah. So, stuff gender. That's why this was complaining. Because I have the variables here and it wants them all. This is basically sort of like the constructor, I guess you could say. But now we need to add the variables, so we'll do mass. Oh man, mass. All right. So now we might need to rerun this just to see. But I'll go ahead and write this code right here. I'll keep doing that. I don't believe it will show it. Yeah, I thought it would crash because we didn't load it. This code, so the code only loaded the object stuff that we gave it the first time. So And this is going to be it for this video. I want to do the array stuff, the film species. I want to do all of that, and also the home row the next video. I try to keep the videos pretty short, or I'm trying at least. Alright, so that pop-up was from the when I was changing all of the data. So now it shows all of the data right here for each character. So yeah, next video, style it up a little bit, start working with these arrays. I'm not sure if I want to put on the same page or another page, each on their own page. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, if you like the video,